It's Victoria Styles here to unveil some new textures that we have coming to very special hair. Let's just get right into it. Because I'm so excited. I know you guys are gonna love it. We have here our premium VSOP hair. This hair is even better than our Indian sleek hair. Now, if you thought our Indian sleek was the best straight hair that you've ever seen in your life, no. This is top quality, top grade hair. Minimal shedding and tangling. It is very soft. I wish you guys could feel it. I wish you guys could feel how soft this hair is. Like, look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But the best part about it is we have launched this top quality hair in clip-in form. It comes in a 9-piece clip-in set, and I can't wait to show you these. I couldn't wait to just introduce the product to you, but I can't wait for you to see it on somebody. I can't wait for you to get it, because you're going to love it. You are. Just look at it. It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It comes in 9 sets. This is the complete set right here. If you like your hair really, really full, I would recommend getting 2 sets. This one is 26 inches long, so it's pretty good length. As you can see, it's consistent from the weft to the ends. You don't really have too much split ends, and like I said, this grade is awesome. But I will be doing a tutorial on how to actually apply this set, as well as footage on the different styles that you can get with this set. So I'm very excited for you guys to get these and use these and hear your feedback. And like I said, this hair is amazing. Like, it is amazing. And look at the ends. The ends are even flawless. So this is, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Our next product, we're going to be launching 2 products in June. Our next product is another one that I'm so excited about. It is our native straight hair. So, voila. It's our textured straight hair. This is a full frontal. Yes, we do have frontals, and look at those knots. Awesome. Like, the hairline is even dope, straight out of the box. This is straight out of the packaging, and look at it. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the things that you can do with this. And this is one of the bundles, and the length of the frontal is 18 inches long, and then I have this bundle is 22 inches long. Now, the only thing about this hair, it doesn't come like black, you know, like the pure black that you get. This one is, it kind of has a tint to it. It has a natural brown tint to it, but it's flawless. It feels good. It's soft. It's amazing. It's textured. It's natural. You can get a frontal if you're not all the way natural. If you don't want to deal with your leave out, you can get the frontal and have a complete style. Or if you are natural and you just want to add a little bit of length or some volume, definitely just rock these with your own natural hair. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait for you guys to, try it out and give me your feedback on it. But I am excited. We will be launching these 2 products in June. I did kind of want to give you an introduction because I was super excited. I did do a tutorial on how to do a half up, half down look with clip-ins, extensions, and a ponytail, and I couldn't remember which clip-ins I used, and then I'm like, why don't I just offer clip-ins to my clients? Why don't I just give them clip-ins, So, yes, we have clip-in sets. We have our native straight hair, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. And subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think.